Hi everybody, welcome to week number 6. Hopefully you have survived the plagiarism week of assignments. I know that there were some troubles in getting your screenshots posted up to the websites. I will give you a little bit more time. I'll be flexible about that because I'm still yet not getting to the grading of that. And as far as finding out problems in your peers' papers, do the best that you can. You're supposed to search and try to find those 10 instances of plagiarism. In some cases, they're not so clear, and I understand that, but just do your best and make a note of the things that you do find. Okay? Now, let's get back to this week. This week is the beginning of our final assignment, and the final assignment is a group movie project where you're going to be collaborating with 2 or 3, possibly, other peers in a group, making a PowerPoint, first of all, coming up with a topic of some kind of a issue that is interesting and needed for new students, and especially international students coming to Ohio State University. And there are some ideas given in your readings. There are issues around campus of getting to know the campus, such as the library system or other things that people have chosen in the past. How to make friends, how to be successful in class. What kinds of issues are different between the cultures that in studying in the university and helping students get over those hurdles or those problems. But there's many ideas like that. And as a group, you're going to be deciding on one topic together. One of you will be posting that topic along with the group number and the names of your members of your group to the discussion board post, which is the topics for this group movie project. And I will be approving or not approving or giving you comments on those because I don't want any duplicate topics. So the first groups to post will have preference for those things. So let's go to week number 6 and let you know how this is going to work. Here's week number 6. Posting the topic, coming up with an idea, and then actually you're going to be starting to find sources here because your projects need to be documented and need to be supported by other research, not just your opinions, okay? So you have to have a certain number of sources, I would say at least 3 more if possible, sources that are backing up the information that you are using. So you're going to be finding sources this week. You'll be collaborating on the script of this movie, and the movie does not include your faces or anything like that. It's basically a movie of a PowerPoint session with different slides, and each member can cover one section of that. And then the audio part is narrated by you or one of you or each member of the group, and these movies are then posted to the internet to like put up on YouTube and then put up onto your web pages, okay, eventually, which we'll be talking about more next week. But you can see here by your schedule down here on week number 6, you need to pick a topic and post it. It says here by Tuesday night, but I'm extending the deadline to Wednesday night for the topic discussion, okay, group. So post that and discuss with members of your group. Communicate with them via email or WeChat or call them on the phone, whatever it takes to be able to get communication going between your group members. And then remember, one of you, just one of you, should post the topic to the discussion board. So the discussion board posts, don't forget those this week. That's also by Friday night, and then the response to your peer by Sunday night. Finding sources, that's later this week. Collaborating with your group, and then the discussion board response to peer, as always, And then here at the end, it says sign up for a group tutorial. You're going to have one more tutorial with me on Carmen Connect or WeChat with a backup, just in case things go wrong. And I'm going to be talking with you about what you've come up with on your outline for your group movie projects and what you've discussed so far, just to get you started. And that will be happening next week. Okay? So here, if you haven't seen it already, in this announcement area, remember the announcements are over here. Some of you seem to be missing that. I put up an announcement with the group members. You can see we have 5 groups. One of the groups has 4 members because it's just a little bit odd in our numbering here. But that gives you more members to do more research, okay? So communicate with the members of your group, and here are the 6 steps of this assignment. But right now, focus on picking a topic and then posting it, okay? So if you have any questions, remember again to contact me via WeChat, email, or whatever, okay? And we will be talking to you a little bit later about this whole project. I like this. This is one of my favorite projects, actually, of the whole class. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.